Hey guys, welcome back to the shed. So today is another video on the C200. It has been a fair while. I've been waiting for the logbooks to come back for both the C200 and the F65 over there as well. Yeah, it took a bit longer than usual. Although I had the Nova certificates for both bikes, I sent them off to DVLA and they both come back rejected due to the Nova not on the system. So I had to go through all the hassle of contacting the HMRC. Got those corrected, sent them back off, and now I've got logbooks for both bikes. In fact, I've got two logbooks for both bikes, and they haven't charged me yet either, so even better. So where we left the C200 off was we had a bent valve in the engine. I've been looking for engine parts and probably a spare engine, because the parts I can find are extremely expensive, and I want to keep it to a budget. I don't want the value to be more than the bike's worth. So yep, still waiting to find that elusive engine. The original plan, or which is still the plan, is I'm going to put a more modern engine in it until I can find the parts. But I have managed to find an inlet valve, £10 off eBay. It's not in the greatest condition, but it's not bent. So today I'm just going to try and fit a new valve, lap that in quickly. It's not what I'd usually do, but I want to see if the engine will run. So I'll get some tools and we'll get started disassembling the engine again. Okay, so you join me on the floor. Let's get this head and barrel off. Now from memory I only loosely assembled this, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so we got the head off. The valves were already out because I left them out from last time, but this is the new second-hand valve that we've got, and it actually goes in, unlike the old one. So it's a bit, well, I say a bit pitted, it's quite pitted. The exhaust valve goes straight in. So what I'm going to do is going to give it a lap with some coarse, and then onto some fine. So I'll stick on a time lapse and we'll get these lapped in. So that's the valves lapped in. Pretty happy with the way the head looks. Still got a bit of pitting on the valve seats. The valves themselves, not so great, but I think it's more than enough to get a tight seal, tight enough anyway that we can start it. So I'm going to stick the valves back in now. Nearly there. I can only do these with my hands, but this one's got double springs. Almost cons. Okay, so that's the inlet valve in. I won't let you watch me struggle putting the other one in. I'll just do that off camera. And I'll bring you back in a second. Right, both valves are in, and I wasn't expecting it to actually be liquid tight. But hey, here we are, it's holding liquid. Excellent. Okay, so the engine's back together. Because I've taken this apart before and you've seen it, I didn't bother filming that anyway. But yeah, so the engine's back together, carbs on, timing was spot on, and the valve clearances are spot on. I've got petrol at the readiness for it, and obviously I've got a connector battery. Yeah, so I've got a battery in it as well. So I'm going to get you set up, put a battery on it, connect the fuel. I'm not expecting much, but let's see what happens. Right, how many kicks do we think it's going to take? Oh, battery first, good point. Alright, stick a battery on it. That'll help on it. Right, 6-volt battery in. Give it some petrol. Like I said, I'm not expecting much from this at all, but we shall see. Let's turn that on. Headlights. Nope. Right, how many kicks do we reckon, guys? For about 4 million. Give it a bit of choke, no throttle. Here we go. Nope. Like I said, I weren't expecting much, to be honest. Give it a full choke. Definitely sounds better than before. We switched on. Close. Almost like the petrol's not getting through. Oh, listen to that. Oh, it don't sound well, but it runs. That don't sound well at all. It's not well. Try a bit more choke. Right, well I think we've called that a wrap. She's ticking over nicely. See you in the next one.